So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Waqas and you're watching Waqas Tech. So guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Pubg voice chat or microphone not working after update iOS 16. If you're also facing that issue, then keep watching full video. In this video I'm giving you some tips so you can easily fix that issue. So without wasting any time, let's move to the video. Firstly, you need to open your iPhone setting. In setting you need to scroll down and find here Pubg. As you can see showing here Pubg, tap on there. Make sure your background app refresh is turned on. Now go back and check the Pubg update. Open App Store. Okay, in App Store you need to search here Pubg. Okay, tap on search. Make sure you don't have any pending update of Pubg. You can see appears on screen, it's updated right now. Now go back and you can see appears on screen here are showing setting. Tap on setting again. In setting you need to tap on screen time. You can see appears on screen time here. Okay, you need to tap on content and privacy restriction right now. Tap on that. Okay, you can see appears on screen content and privacy restriction is turned on. Now find your microphone. You can see appears on screen. Tap on that and you can see appears on screen it's selected on do not allow changes. Just tap on allow changes, go back, and now your Pubg microphone is working well if you don't have any hardware issue. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching.